Please, please. Okay, now you tell me, you saw that he came in. Can you tell me the difference between the 10th floor, the 10th event? Yeah, one by one. The one speaks, others should not speak. Yeah.
The 10th floor does not have grounds and this floor has grounds and
You were here.
In the 10th floor, the place is so dirty, the tiles were clean, and the 10th floor, there was no tiles. In the 10th floor, there wasn't any swimming plants, and in the 12th floor, there is.
Okay, now only one question to all of you. Okay,
Yes.
why 10th floor is like that? Why 12th floor is like that? Why? I mean, why?
But there are plants here, but
No,
not there.
do you agree? If human, mankind, we want to make a difference, you all agree?
Yes, yes.
You want to keep your floor like 10th or 12th.
12th.
You all agree?
Yes, yes.
So it's very important to say this. It's all within our discretion. Okay? We understand our discretion within our reach. If we want, we can do. If we don't want, we cannot. Which is better? To do better, right? Okay. What is the innovative thing? Two things you saw, 2 or 3, those very innovative, new things.
Eco-friendly bell.
Come on, give it that. Eco-friendly
Bell.
because we always use electricity. Eco-friendly. Okay.
Plants coming out of bamboo.
Last coming out of bamboo is all that. Then what else?
You use old shoe.
Oh, come on. See, the observation is very fantastic. So the plants kept under shoe. Can some child say why it was done like that?
Because it was an old shoe and you didn't want to put it.
Come on. Okay. Can there be any other reason? Can you think beyond whatever is all perfectly correct? There's one more reason. I kept a plant and a shoe, kept it there. Kept it there. Underline the word there. Why?
So, because the shoes will be safe. It says that.
What is the indication? Uncles put a shoe outside and plants inside that. What is an indication?
What indication?
You
What's the message we tell you?
Yes, sir.
What's the message we communicate to you?
recycle.
Huh?
Recycle. Reuse. Recycle, recycle, reuse, recycle, reduce.
Come on, take 2 more minutes. Why uncle should keep? You told me the reason. Beautiful reason that the plant is growing and the shoe is okay.
It's a common
Why is kept at that place?
Yes.
At that place. Why it was kept at that place? Why is kept?
It's telling you something.
We don't think it's
Vaishnavi, are you
because you
thinking?
should take off your shoe.
Come on, he told it. Now understand.
What
See,
pages?
this is to tell you,
To take off
you
your
also leave your shoes there. Okay? Because what happened? Every day people come. This is my house. If all people come with the shoes, it becomes like 10th floor. Okay? There's a reason. You understand? All of you agree?
Yes.
I'm going to start a small program. This is called flower shower. Okay? You all note down. Keep your notebook. It's called flower shower.
Sorry, yeah.
Flower shower.
What is flower? What do you mean by flower shower?
What do you think it means? Flower, shower. What do you think?
Flower having a shower?
No, flower showers on you. The shower is on you.
Instead of water in the shower, flowers are coming on you.
Yeah, it means because flowers, sometimes they will falls. Okay. Okay. Now, we go to subject 1. We use eco-friendly calling bell, correct? What's the benefit out of it?
It's a way to conserve electricity.
Somebody says just 2 times plus. Okay, conserve it. Because every time press the bell, electricity is spent. By doing this, what energy you spend by doing like this? What energy? Huh? Shall we call it human energy? Please don't. We are using human energy instead of electric energy. Okay? Got the point? Be silent. Okay. We are using human energy. So I'll give a quote. We all note down. You are going to tell your parents this quote. I'll tell slowly. We waste natural resources. We waste natural resources. Please. We waste natural resources. We waste natural resources by using them up. And I think some of you repeat. You come here.
Yes.
After I say you tell them, probably you are more used to your accent. We waste natural resources by using them up. Can I tell them?
So, no, but they
understand.
They're different.
We waste natural resources by using them. We use natural, what happens? We exhaust it. Okay, next sentence. We waste human resources by not using it.
By not using. We waste human resource by purely.
Okay, what is the message you get by this?
By not using them up. What is the meaning of that sentence?
What is the message you get? Okay, I'll give you a clue. Okay, come on, listen to all of you. You all take baths. Take bath every day?
Yes.
Sure? Okay, when you take shower, where it falls on you? Where?
First
Right?
on your head, then you on your body.
Body.
Then the...
All of you say,
Yes.
anybody puts a shower cap?
No.
Hey, come on, tell me the truth.
Only for swimming you put the shower cap.
Come on, if you tell the truth, I'm happy. You are telling the truth. All of you take head bath. You take head bath every day?
Yes. Not
Head
every
bath?
day. Not every day.
She's important. We appreciate it.
Not every day.
But the children never can like the point.
If you take it every day, it won't be good for your hair.
A real bath includes also washing your head. There is no word in the English dictionary called head bath. You all agree? Who is from Kerala? Malayalam?
His name is... He's not his name.
In Kerala, you see, they take, it is included as part of their body, not in Tamil Nadu. Okay? So, when they take bath, because this also becomes dirt. Why you don't wash it? Don't you feel it will get more dirty and then face you agree? Because that is exposed. So, first advice to all of you, tomorrow we'll talk about hygiene. I'll tell you a word, repeat it. Hygiene.
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 So we have to take the bath should include. You go and see in dictionary, it's a word called head bath. So bath includes head to toe. Head to toe and take bath. Okay? You have to do that? Okay. If you go and ask Malayalis, they do that.
I lost my grandma. I lost my friend.
No, you ask them. Okay. Number 2. Next question. Okay. If you take head bath, how do you dry your hair?
I just wash my towel and then I couldn't hear you. If it's
How
wet,
you dry your hair?
I use the hair dryer and the towel. I use only the towel. I use the towel and then
How many of you use the towel?
I use only the towel.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. How many of you use a hair dryer?
Also,
Okay. This is all very important message. Okay.
I use both.
Okay, listen up.
Okay, you tell frankly, who all use hair dryer? I want to know. Who all use hair dryer? One.
Very rarely.
You use it. So put your hand up.
Very rarely.
Whatever you use
Okay.
it. Whether it's once or
I
twice.
used to, but I...
Okay. Now I'll tell you why I asked this question. Actually, this question almost you get all the message by one question. This question I asked you. Okay. If you don't take it, if you don't cover during the bath your head, it will become angry against you because you are not treating it properly. It will give command to your tongue. Somebody comes, will go and scold him because you know your tongue will scold him because head has instructed. That man will give you a punch because head is angry against you. You are not giving a wash. It's angry. Why you are discriminating? What is it?
So,
Why you are partial?
It's so cheap.
but if you have a cold, if you take a
No issue. Okay. Now let us say from tomorrow take bath. You should include what?
head,
So you have to treat all same. You can't give a treatment to your leg, hand, and leave it. Suppose one teacher likes one boy, doesn't like another boy. What? How will you have to? Suppose father likes one child, doesn't like the same thing. Okay, when you get bath, tomorrow what you do? You put your towel like this. Watch me, keep it like this. Look at my hand. Okay. If you do like that, what happens? What happens?
but I
Yeah,
use hair
right.
dryer only when my hair is still wet.
Sweetheart, the question is, if you do like that,
What are the benefits to you? Yeah, right, one. Then what are the benefits?
Yeah. So answer to that question.
Only that question. Should not. When you do like this, what happens?
Hair dries, okay, there's something more that's happening over there.
Some
we have.
incidental benefits, yeah.
Like you don't waste electricity like you waste.
That's okay. No, I'm telling you. The question is what is the benefit to you? Personal benefit.
Look at the movement that I'm
Look at the movement, see.
Exercise.
You say exercise for your hand. Okay? And then you put your palm back.
On your head.
on the head.
So what the palm gets?
It gets
What is the word?
soft. Friction.
Okay, you don't know. If Japanese, are you Japanese? No. Korean. You will be knowing. Acupressure. You know acupressure?
Yeah, I know.
So your hand gets acupressure. What does the head gets? What does the head gets? Massage. Come on, do it for me. What happens? It gets massage. You do it for sisters, sister do it for you.
I don't ask you questions.
Okay, we don't like you do it. Okay, 1 minute. So what happens?
1 minute. something.
Exercise for hand, acupressure for palms. 3 benefits by doing this. Okay, instead, use a dryer. Tell me what are the bad things. One by one, slowly. First,
You waste energy.
you will say, just start.
Saying the same. Going to say the same thing.
You say, you are good. Very good.
Like your heart won't get any exercise. You
Okay.
you vintage and me right I try like this.
And me?
I guess I just not
Come on, what are the things quickly say?
my towel is correct.
No, you tell me by using the dryer, what are the bad effects? What are the bad things? Yeah, you tell me.
It increases the amount of global warming.
Oh, come on, see. Come on. Oh, you don't appreciate it. Yeah. So you are causing global warming. Excellent answer.
So
Then,
maybe it can damage your hair.
come on, see.
Oh,
You have a long hair. Yeah. Good. Very good, beautiful. Come on, clap. You will appreciate your colleague. Yeah, right, that's it. Yeah.
If an ant is crawling over here in the back and you sit on it by flying into your head.
Okay. You tell me practically that I use this, you rightly said global warming. Number 2 is you're spending electricity, you have to pay the bill. Of course, the dad will pay the bill.
Sweetheart, but that is not the important thing.
Now, we tell the important thing.
That is not the
Yeah.
But if you use the hand dryer, you're not
You are not?
Yeah, energy conservation is not there. Global warming happens.
Yeah.
You waste electricity.
Yes, that is what. Same thing as energy.
Now, I'll tell you. I think you all said it. Number 1, you are spending electricity. You have to pay the bill. You are causing global warming.
You're wasting money.
Wasting money.
You're wasting.
Your hair may fall. Okay? You may get headache. Finally, who knows you will not get a shock. Who knows you will not get a shock. So, using this natural resources. Using this, sorry, this is human resource. This is natural resource. You all agree? It is natural resource. How it is natural resource? Tell me, answer me. How it is? Using dryer is exhausting natural resource. Why?
You're using electricity.
Okay, then Electricity, okay. Tomorrow you're going to get electricity again. Yeah.
Sunlight, music, and shots.
No, that's okay. That's over. Then tell me, point is, but what is it we lose? We lose a natural resource. What it is?
Electricity.
Electricity comes from what?
Fuel.
Fuel comes from what? Coal.
Coal and water.
Coal. By
Coal, water,
burning.
and coal.
See, coal name, write it fossil fuel. Okay.
Also fuel.
Fossil fuel. Coal is a fossil. You would not, when you all grow, you won't have coal. When you're 30 years old, you won't have coal. Okay. So we are exhausting natural resources. Using a dryer, we are wasting natural resources. You understand? And burning coal causes global warming. I said we waste natural resources using them up. By using this dryer, you are wasting natural resources. By using a towel, which is called human resource, we are saving natural resources. Okay? You got the message?
Yes.
Okay, now one question to you quickly. You tell me, each one tell slowly, where all we can use human resource instead of natural resources. Where all you can use. You tell first within the house, within the house. Or outside, okay. Tell me, yeah. We told it already. Yes, next.
Other than that, what are the other things?
You can make a tray out of clay.
Okay, good.
Instead of one, like
It's a good idea.
in some cold places there'll be lots of snow, so they use machines to take out the snow. So instead of using machines, you can use shovels to take out the snow.
Okay, it's a machine. Very good idea. Come on, use shovel. Yeah.
Instead of driving cars, you could use bikes.
Come on, it's beautiful.
Bicycles.
Bicycles, or you can even walk. Okay, bicycle.
Sir, please. Like, instead of ringing the bell, you can just ring a bell so that you
Okay, good. That's what we started there. Very good. What else? You tell me where all you use machine in your house that you can substitute with human resource. Now I will give you a clue to you.
Yeah. What are the different kinds of machines used at home and how it can be replaced?
How do you wash your clothes?
Yes, Sapnika.
washing machine.
Washing
Yes, sir.
one minute. Washing machine. How you can use human resource?
So I depict it in the sea.
I'll show you.
Sea.
I want to tell you. You will never fight a washerman. You know why? He's stronger than Ajit and Vijay. You know why? What he does? What do you call it? Squeezes. If he squeezes, what happens? It twists the cloth. He does it. Actually, his hand gets twisted. No, he becomes very strong. Look at his hand here. He is a real muscle man. How he gets it? By using human resource, not washing machine. Come on, what else you can use human resource? Within the house, we are going to practice it tomorrow. What else? Yeah.
Yes, Sapnika.
What are the machines there in the house? What are the machines?
What machines?
Well, in a cold place, so for example, we're living in a cold place, instead of using a heater,
Can we talk about our house here in Chennai?
Only here, this.
Let's not imagine about snow and
Inverter. Okay, inverter is a good idea. Then what she says, solar power. Okay. No, solar power using the point is again you are using, you know the difference. You are using renewable source of energy. Can you see that? Because sun is always there. If you use electricity, coal will get it. The point is good, but my question is different. Human resource. Human resource for natural resource. You tell me what are the machines, gadgets used. Come on, tell me.
like instead of when you watch all those TV programs, like which they like all those and also instead of watching the TV, you can yourself go there.
What she says?
Go where and what? The station.
Yeah.
TV station.
Oh, then it's spending petrol. Instead of that, you can sing, we cannot watch it. Why you have to see some other?
Instead of watching TV, what else can we, how else can we entertain ourselves? Watching TV is not good. We can do other activities like what?
Reading books.
Yes. Yeah. Read books, entertain yourself, stories, you get
machines in house?
Your mother uses
AC.
okay.
AC, fan. The fan is there.
What are other things?
All you can do is the fan. All you can do, fan.
Electric cooker. My mother has the
Electric cooker.
Auntie, microwave. We don't have that.
Microwave.
Fan.
You can use a paper fan.
See, very good. As we say, there is a hand fan. And this is we use a newspaper. Okay, come on, go on, think about it. Think about it.
Yes, Tara.
How do you get idli?
Yeah.
Rama cooker.
Excuse me. How do you make that marble?
Paste. How do you make the paste?
Ah.
Can you ask your dad to do that? Okay, tell me. You know, the olden days, people were very, very strong. You know why? You have seen that article. It's called article. And me. So they are very good. Okay. So what we can do? Please note down one
So
word.
uncle is telling us to go back to that and Mama's are going to kill you now.
No. For it, don't say it like this. You know, it's good you said. I tell you a beautiful word. Om Jim. Say that.
Home gym.
Om Jim. G-Y-M.
Jim.
Jim. What is a gym?
It's place where you go and exercise.
See what your father and mother do, everything they have remote control. Then they pay 10,000 rupees to a fitness club. They go on, why don't you make your house itself a gym? Come on, now tell me, how you cannot, water. Suppose they have well, how you can drink water? Water. Water?
What is the other alternative of drawing water from the well? Yes, we have. Yes.
See, pulley is there. No pulley. You have seen that? Don't you feel a very good exercise? Come on, say that. Why we should have all electricity cause global warming and then make a motor car, spend petrol, again cause global warming and go to gym, use all machines, again cause global warming? Come on, tell me.
Yeah, but in gym, most of the time we don't use machines. It's mostly like touching alternative.
But for that you don't have to go to the gym, Pragati. You can do that at home itself. Why do we go to the gym? Gymnasium.
I do one simple question.
We go to the gym.
Where there are machines.
And no.
Okay, I'll tell you one thing. See, in my house I have so much garden now. It's a good exercise for me. I lift the pot, put it there. You know, entire body. You know what's until this age? If you say my age, you won't call me uncle. You call me grandpa. I'm 70 years old. Really 70 years. Okay? Grandpa. Okay. So now point is, you must look. Okay, I'm grandpa. What I want to say, keep yourself fit by
Exercise.
have a lot of body movements. We all sit lazy, have a remote control. The only thing you can't use remote control is call your dad or mom. But everything use remote control. Your door is open. Come on, tell me.
Instead of lights, you could use a candle. Exactly.
Okay, the point is,
The candle.
is there any better answer? The candle also costs money. Is there any better answer?
Sir, you can. I saw this in a place somewhere in Goa. They had like a Christmas tree, and then it had lights, and then bicycles around it, and then when you cycle on the bicycles, the lights.
See, one of our Explora members, he has a bicycle. It's a very good point. When he sits on it, it won't move. You know what happens? The water comes out of the well. So what happens? He is doing exercise. Come on, think like so. That's a very good answer. So when you have a cycle, it's a stationary cycle. You know stationary or static.
Yeah.
It doesn't move. When you pedal it, the water is lifted from well. How do you like the idea? Good? Then tell father, don't go to fitness center. We'll have a cycle like that. You know, you have exercise, water also. You get it without spending.
Money.
Okay. Any other point? You have told a lot of points, but still some more are there. Can you tell? Okay, how you came to third floor?
By using the elevator Instead of using the elevator, you will use the stairs.
Okay. Can you climb 12 floors?
Oh, it's yes. It's exercise.
Every day morning, call it uncle or grandpa, I walk, climb up my what happens, if you look at my thigh, half muscle is very strong.
You look very healthy.
Get the birthday card, keep it. If you get a New Year card, keep it safe. What's your name? Durva. What's your name?
Tejas.
Okay. Durva gets a card from Tejas. Birthday. That's a New Year card. What you do, Durva keeps it all the 12 months, then he sends the same card to Tejas. What he says? Tejas, everybody old 12 months, I'm very happy. And send the same card. Good one? So what happens? What happens? You will feel good or bad about Durva. You will feel good, you know? Why you feel good?
Because he's not wasting.
And yes, nobody old 1 year.
You're not cutting down more trees to get more paper.
Correct. That's very important. But what we say, this impression will not be bad. You will not call he's a miser. You say this person remembered me 1 whole year. Okay, you all got the point? Great. Okay. Okay, somebody gives, can you take that flower?
Happy New Year.
Sentiment?
Happy New Year.
Okay.
And you keep it for
What you have to say, you have to say like this. Thank you for receiving us and showing you our house, your house. Okay, say that. Thank you for
Thank you for
receiving us. What I am going to do, thanking you for coming to the house. Okay, what is the message you got? What is the message you got?
reuse.
See, this one, the keep it is going to do that. What I do, somebody gives a bouquet, on the way, if I see some friend, I give it to them. Or I go to school, give me a child. Can I do that? Okay, one last question here. Okay, last question. You have a refrigerator in the house?
Yes.
You have an air conditioner?
Yes.
TV?
Yes.
Washing machine?
Yes. I haven't got a TV. I don't have a washing machine.
Which country?
I don't have a washing machine.
Which country you are from?
England.
The point is,
I don't have a washing machine.
I ask a question to you. How many of you have something very, very less expensive, less than 1,000 rupees? Okay? Called a fire extinguisher.
I
How many
don't
of you
have.
How many of you have in your house? You have it, really? You have it, really? You have it. You know what is fire extinguisher? Okay, why only 2-3 children are having? Why others are not having? Please let me know from them why you are not having. You have to answer because getting late. Anyway, very good interaction. Whatever, yeah.
I don't know where it's.
Why you don't keep a fire extinguisher house? Whether you don't mind, because
If it leaks, then carbon dioxide will.
that everything is danger. Everything is danger. Everything is danger. You have to keep it. But why we don't buy a fire extinguisher? Why? You have bought a refrigerator, TV, wet grinder, everything you bought. Why you didn't buy? You all very expensive things. You have got a home theater. You don't have something less than 1,000 rupees. Why you don't keep it? Why you are not motivated to keep?
I don't know where.
Why?
I don't know where you get it. Yeah, even
Oh, no, I don't. If you Google it, then you get it. The point is why? Because we all think the fire will happen everywhere, not in my house. Correct?
Same.
But
Yes.
I want to tell you, every day 30 houses in Chennai get fire, average. How many houses?
30.
Could be tomorrow yours. If you keep a fire extinguisher, what happens? When the fire occurs, you can contain it, stop it.
You be prepared.
Okay, do you all agree? You have one. Okay, now, where are you sitting? Where are you sitting? On what you are sitting?
So fast.
Come on, you three answer me. You're sitting on what? The climax for you. You're sitting on? Cubes. Okay, cubes. Boxes. But all of you get up. I'll tell you where you are sitting. Okay, this all boxes come. This one to the kitchen waste getting composted. This is, okay, you like it?
I didn't see
Here plastic waste. Red. Paper waste white. Do you like this idea? Actually,
We actually when we were see.
You all come and see.
When we were in KG, we would see.
Okay, whatever waste you brought, you segregate now. Will you segregate here? Will you do segregation? You segregate. You have to do it properly. We will be watching you carefully. Camera is taking. You do it. Come on.
Yes.
Now you understand? Paper means weight. Plastic red. Kitchen. So paper becomes paper. Plastic is paper. And a grill. So you don't need to put a glass. Glass but also get put here. Glass you get seldom until somebody consumes liquor. Here you put hazardous waste. Hazardous means harmful waste. Okay, you all understood? I'm going to tell you a slogan. Will you repeat it? Very good. Okay. Waste. Say waste
Waste
is not waste
is not waste
until
until
it is wasted. Waste is not
waste is not
waste
waste
until it is wasted.
It is wasted.
Next slogan. It is not
It is not
waste management
waste management,
but
but
wealth management.
wealth management.
You agree? Okay. Don't
Don't
transfer waste.
transfer waste,
Transform waste.
transform
If you
waste.
do source segregation, what happens? The whole waste becomes wealth. You all agree? Okay. Now, when you go to your mom, dad, if you ask them to do source segregation, they'll say, no, you have no time. Father says, I'm going for business. Mother says, I don't know what to say. Mother says, I do household, poor. So many things you may say. How are you going to convince them? Okay, how you are going to convince them? What is 86,400? Anyone knows it? What is 86,400? What it is? What do you understand immediately? What's the inference you get? Number. What? Then what is?
Number of what?
Number of what? You guess. Make a wild guess.
Garbage,
What is? Yeah?
garbage,
Garbage. Okay. Because the uncle is a garbage. Okay.
machine,
Okay. Any other person? Last chance. Okay. Every day we have 24 hours. If you multiply with 60 minutes and then multiply 60 seconds, you get 86,400 seconds in a day. Do you agree? So you are from one country, he is from another country. For all of us, God has given how many minutes? How many seconds?
86,400.
Anybody is having more time? Anybody having less time? Okay, if it is the truth, for to do this, you need only 20 seconds. How many time? How much you need?
20 seconds.
Out of how much? How many seconds?
86,400.
Can't we spend 20 seconds? Carefully listen. We call Earth as Mother. We are Mother Earth, right? Mother Earth gives us food. What we give her? Garbage. She gives us water. We give her sewage. She gives oxygen. We give her carbon dioxide. She gives petrol. We give her plastic. She gives chemicals. We give her chemical waste. Okay? She gives forests. We give her concrete jungles. She gives gold to beautify ourselves. We bombard and disfigure her. Do you all agree? Will you ever put garbage on a mother's face?
No.
Then why you do it on mother here? So what you should do? You must make waste as well. So all the people in Chennai do source segregation. You won't lose Pallikarnai marshland. Because the marshland is water basin of Chennai. If you have water there or once you have water, the flood arrest of Chennai, we have lost it. So when Lodaji joined, we bring Chennai. People all, you know what happened? Waste becomes wealth. Lot of women get job. And many wealth water bodies are saved from dumping garbage. This is a message for all of you.